There are some brilliant and exciting racing circuits out there, but which ones are the best? We found the 10 best racing tracks that exist in this world. Want to know which are the best? Here is our shortlist. Number 10. Interlagos Circuit. Autódromo José Carlos Pace is the current host of the Brazilian Grand Prix and stages a range of other racing events throughout the year. It's another classic circuit, with sweeping, quick bends and long straights always producing exciting on-track action. Also known by its former name Interlagos, it's been the scene of many classic moments in F1, including Senna's first win on home soil in 1991 and Lewis Hamilton's late title success in 2008. Number 9. Silverstone. Known as the home of British motorsport, Silverstone is the UK's most famous track and features some of the best corners in F1, including Copse and the Maggots Beckett's complex. Despite the current layout differing greatly compared to the original, it remains one of the few old-school circuits in the sport. It's a busy and popular track, with a range of other championships, like FIA WEC and BTCC, racing there. Number 8. Monza. The Autodromo Nazionale Monza is one of the oldest tracks on the F1 calendar, but its future currently looks uncertain. The super quick circuit is mainly made up of long straights and tight chicanes. With a unique layout and packed grandstands full of enthusiastic fans, mainly Ferrari supporters, the Italian Grand Prix is always a special event. Number 7. Circuit de Monaco. The street track around the Principality of Monaco has changed very little since it debuted on the F1 calendar in 1950 and remains a difficult one to master. With quick corners like piscine mixed in with tight hairpins and barriers surrounding the circuit, there is no margin for error. The Monaco Grand Prix is the jewel in F1's crown, and the track remains a fan's firm favorite. Number 6. Laguna Seca. The California racetrack features 11 corners, with the most famous being the corkscrew chicane, one of motorsport's most difficult turns, with an uphill approach, blind apex and dramatic drop downhill. The popular circuit currently hosts sports car and motorbike racing. Number 5. Mount Panorama. Set in a beautiful location, Mount Panorama, or Bathurst as it is often called, is one of the greatest racetracks in the world. It is technically a street track as it's run on public roads. With steep inclines, long straights and quick corners, it's a tough challenge for drivers and is the host of the iconic Bathurst 12-hour and Bathurst 1000 races. Number 4. Circuit de la Sarthe. Le Mans, arguably the most famous motorsport event in the world. The first race took place in 1923, and it has been an annual feature on the motorsport calendar since 1949. The Circuit de la Sarthe is a mix of public roads and racetrack and is the ultimate test of machinery, with incredible corners like the Dunlop curve, the S's and the Porsche curves. Number 3. Suzuka. The current location of the Japanese Grand Prix, Suzuka, is a sweeping, quick track with a unique figure of 8 layout and a range of different corners. It features the renowned 130R/S curves and the Denner curve and has been the scene of some truly incredible motorsport moments, like Ayrton Senna and Alain Prost's 1989 collision at the Chicane. Number 2. Spa-Francorchamps. Home of the Belgian Grand Prix, this charming track is set in the Ardennes countryside and has a rich history in F1 and motorsport. It is a fan and driver favorite, with iconic corners like the Eau Rouge Radillon Complex and Pauwen, stunning scenery and great racing guaranteed. Number 1. Nürburgring Nordschleife. A legendary circuit with immense motorsport history, the Green Hell features a staggering 154 corners and measures 21 kilometers in length. It includes every type of turn imaginable and continues to host events like the recent Nürburgring 24 Hours. You can even drive it yourself. And these are 10 of the best racing tracks in the world. So, which one is your favorite? Comment below. I'll see you next time on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more valuable videos like this.